So we now move on to speaking part 2. Describe something that surprised you. Please, you can start.
Okay, life is full of surprises. Some are good and some are bad. Today I'm going to share with you a surprise that gave my friend to me. Actually, we are three friends. At that time, my friend and I at her home. She opened the door and I saw my third friend behind the door. She wore red and blue colored dress. When my friend named Maham served me some snacks, she said, "Can I call Maham?" Sorry, Muna, my third friend. I surprised and said.
I was surprised.
I was surprised and said, but I saw Mona when you opened the door for me. She laughed on me and
She laughed at me.
She laughed at me and said, "No, there's no Muna here." So she called Muna and she came with her kids and joined us. And I am at that time I was scared, and then both of them laughed on me.
Laughed at me.
Okay, laughed at me, and they said, we make a joke.
Yeah, we were pulling your leg. It's
Yeah,
an idiom.
yeah.
We were pulling your
Yeah,
leg.
we were pulling your leg.
Okay, that's fine. You spoke for around a minute. Try to
Okay.
speak fluently, actively, energetically, and practice these topics so that you become more fluent.
Okay.
Now, we move on to speaking part 3. What are some things that made you feel happy?
Okay, the sometimes small things make me very happy. When my kids learn something new, I feel happy, and when I make some delicious food for them, I feel happy, and when I achieve my goal, I feel happy. It means many things can feel me happy.
Can make me feel happy.
Can
Now see, in
make
this
me feel
answer you
happy.
said make me happy, I feel happy.
Repetition,
So you can
yeah.
use different words, and you are not using signposting. First of all, whenever I make anything delicious and my children enjoy, that gives me
Okay.
pleasure. Secondly, whenever I achieve my goal, that gives me great excitement. And
Okay.
finally, when I try to do something and I succeed in that, that gives me immense pleasure. Immense
Okay.
pleasure, excitement, happiness. That will improve your band score, okay?
So actually, I practice it on my seat very well, but
I
don't
understand.
know
This is the
why I
common
forget
phenomena.
about
So
it.
this is the gap you have to fill now.
Okay,
The way
inshallah.
you think, yeah. You know, there was the picture other day on social media, the way I think my English is. And
Yes.
actually it is, right? So don't worry
Okay.
about that, okay? Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.